Sir Vivian Richards, often hailed as the Master Blaster, is one of cricket's greatest ever batsmen, whose fearless style redefined the game. Born on March 7, 1952, in St. John's, Antigua, his journey from a small Caribbean island to global stardom is legendary. For more inspiring cricket stories, subscribe for the latest updates. Richards grew up in a working-class family in Ovals, St. John's, the son of Malcolm, a prison officer and talented athlete, and Gretel, a nurturing homemaker. With two brothers, Mervyn and Donald, who also played cricket for Antigua, the sport ran in the family. Viv attended St. John's Boys Primary School and Antigua Grammar School, where his athletic talent shone. At 18, he left school, working at Darcy's Bar and Restaurant, where the owner gifted him cricket gear, fueling his early passion. By 1973, his skills caught the eye of Somerset's Len Creed, leading to a contract with Lansdowne CC in the UK, where he also worked as an assistant groundsman. Richards debuted for the West Indies in 1974 against India, scoring an unbeaten 192 in his second test. Between 1974 and 1991, he played 121 tests, amassing 8,540 runs at an average of 50.23, with 24 centuries. His peak years, 1976 to 1983, saw him average 66.51, including a record 1,710 runs in 1976, 829 of those in England. In ODIs, he scored 6,721 runs at a strike rate of 90.20, a staggering feat for his era, with highlights like 189 against England in 1984, the highest ODI score for 13 years. Richards won the 1975 and 1979 World Cups, scoring a century in the latter's final, and was runner-up in 1983. As captain from 1984 to 1991, he never lost a test series, winning 27 of 50 matches. Known for never wearing a helmet, his swagger, chewing gum while dispatching bowlers, intimidated even the fiercest attacks. Beyond stats, Richards embodied West Indian pride, rejecting a blank cheque offer to tour apartheid South Africa, a stance he called his greatest innings. He saw cricket as a unifying force against racism, influenced by Rastafarianism and Black Power movements. Post-retirement, he mentored teams like Quetta Gladiators and Delhi Daredevils, and occasionally commentated. His legacy includes the Sir Vivian Richards Stadium in Antigua and the Richards Botham Trophy. In 2000, Wisden named him one of the 5 cricketers of the century, and in 2022, he received the Order of the Caribbean Community. Richards' lifestyle reflects his roots. Living in Antigua, he's a father of 4, Molly, Matara, Masaba, with Indian actress Neena Gupta, and Nika. At 5 feet 10 inches and 176 pounds during his career, he now enjoys a quieter life. His net worth, estimated at $15 million in 2025, comes from his playing career, county cricket with Somerset and Glamorgan, endorsements, and mentoring roles. Knighted in 1999 as a national hero of Antigua, Richards remains a symbol of cricketing excellence and cultural defiance, inspiring generations with his unmatched aura.